How to enable or disable lock rotation in portrait or landscape on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now to enable or disable the lock rotation, just swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, you can tap on this rotate button. So tap on it to lock on portrait or turn off to unlock it. So here, if I turn off, you can see here, I can rotate my phone to portrait mode or horizontal or landscape mode. Here I can also lock it. So I just clear that. And here I can lock it. And when I lock it, if I turn my phone, it will not rotate anymore. And if I unlock it, I can now rotate my screen to landscape or portrait mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.